Hello, I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Today we're talking about trouble code P0430, what it actually means, what can trigger it, and how to diagnose it without wasting money. A lot of people see this code and immediately replace the catalytic converter, but that's not always the real problem. P0430 usually appears on V6 or V8 engines. It means the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not performing the way the ECU expects. Bank 2 is the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is not located. But here's the important part: this code doesn't automatically mean the converter is dead. In many cases it's only reacting to another issue in the engine. You might notice poor acceleration, a strong exhaust smell, bad fuel economy, or even dark smoke under throttle, but sometimes the car feels completely normal and the only warning is the check engine light. There are several things that can cause P0430: a lazy oxygen sensor, an engine running too rich, leaking injectors, excess fuel pressure, misfires, or oil and coolant getting into the exhaust system. Over time these problems can confuse the ECU or slowly destroy the catalytic converter itself. Before replacing expensive parts, do a proper diagnosis first. Scan the vehicle for additional codes, check fuel trim numbers. If the trims are way positive or way negative, that tells you the engine isn't running correctly. Inspect the MAF sensor, look for vacuum leaks, make sure the air filter isn't restricted. Then compare the readings from the oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter. If both sensors show nearly the same pattern, the converter may not be working efficiently anymore. But keep in mind, faulty sensors can also make it look that way. One of the best ways to test the converter is with an exhaust back pressure test. Remove the oxygen sensor, install a pressure gauge, start the engine and monitor the readings. If pressure builds too quickly, the converter could be clogged internally. That test gives real evidence instead of guessing and throwing parts at the car. Only replace the catalytic converter after everything else checks out, otherwise the code may come right back. P0430 is not a sentence, it's just your car asking for attention. Your car talks in trouble codes, now you know how to understand them.